We claim to be the first ever soft-serve frozen cheesecake. Nandito sa loob ng frozen cheesecake by Hola. If you remember guys, na-feature natin sila before. Baga isang line of product lang sila nun na in-add natin dun sa feature. But now, meron tayong full-fledged store. They are preparing our food for today. So ano kaya mga in-order nila? Frozen cheesecake way back 2023, in which mga ganito pa lang sila noon. Year 2025, January, meron na po silang mga soft serve frozen cheesecake. Ito. So ito yung mga counterpart ng mga ice cream, mga yogurts, but this time a little bit sinful.
It's a cheesecake.
It's a cheesecake. But it's soft serve, ayan.
Yes.
So dito po guys, makakapili kayo ng mga toppings natin. They have up until 24 different kinds of toppings. Fruits, mga syrups, mga chocolate, mga nuts, iba-iba guys. And then yung pinaka-base natin, mayroong matcha, tsaka yung cheesecake. So you can either choose yung matcha only, cheesecake only, or mix. So tikman na natin to dahil nandito na rin. Nga pala, if you are interested to franchise, available na Sir Jay? For franchises? Ayan, magtanong po kay Sir J. Ico. Ito yung mga buns. Ito, ang tawag dito ay Uno bun. So, meron lamang siyang isang toppings. But, you can also choose like messy.